Hyundai has launched two new CNG variants of their entry-level Santro hatchback in the Indian market. The Hyundai Santro is now available in the Magna CNG and Sportz CNG variants with a price tag of Rs 5.87 lakh and Rs 6 lakh respectively. Both prices are ex-showroom Delhi. Both new CNG variants of the Hyundai Santro feature the same features and equipment list as its ICE-powered trims. The Hyundai Santro Magna CNG comes with features such as the 2DIN audio system, steering-mounted controls, a manual AC, smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth, and many others. The Hyundai Santro Sportz CNG is positioned above the Magna variant and features additional equipment. This includes a touchscreen infotainment system with inbuilt navigation with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, electrically adjustable ORVMs with integrated turn signals, front fog lamps, keyless entry, and many others as well. The two new variants are powered by a 1.1-litre 4-cylinder unit. When running on CNG, the engine produces 60 brake horsepower and 85 Nm of peak torque mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox. The same engine, while running on petrol, churns out 69 brake horsepower and 99 Nm. The petrol-powered version comes mated to either a 5-speed manual or an AMT automatic transmission. Apart from the above-mentioned updates, no other changes have been made to the Hyundai Santro hatchback in the Indian market. Both CNG variants of the Santro continue to receive the same safety equipment, which includes reverse parking sensors, a driver's airbag, a fire extinguisher, a speed alert system, a seatbelt warning sign, and others. The latest generation Santro was introduced in the Indian market last year, with the nameplate making a comeback after a gap of more than 7 years. The Hyundai Santro is an extremely popular offering from the Korean car maker in the market. The hatchback takes on rivals such as the Maruti Suzuki Celerio, Maruti Suzuki WagonR, and the Tata Tiago. The CNG version of the Santro is a direct rival to the Maruti WagonR CNG offering in the segment. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share, and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.